was actually pretty fun. I enjoyed this one.
Uh,
You got this one right on
I
your
don't.
first try here, Sword Dude. That was pretty dope. That was real dope.
I mean, I knew it at the beginning, but you said she'll wait.
Yeah, you did. And yeah. Well, exactly. Well, that's the whole thing. Like, we're asking very simple algebra questions that you can probably just do in your head by being like, oh, it's just that plus 3, it's this plus whatever. But um, I want you to know the process for how to like set up an algebra, an algebraic. It's called an algebraic expression, is what they technically call it. But basically, setting up an equation from a word problem so that you can solve it using algebra. Because eventually, what's going to happen is the word problems will get even more difficult, so where you won't be able to do it just in your head. Be like, oh, Bomby Boy just needs like 5 contracts. That's easy, you know.
Okay, so is this a thing? Freaking swords here. Okay, it's not a thing.
For what? Oh, for did you do roll call?
Yeah,
You did the roll
yeah, I
call?
did. I did here, then I tried swords here,
No, no, you just have to say here, and it should get it. Let me see one sec. Let me pull up the stream on mine so that
Well, we're going.
we're gonna do more of the algebra. Unless you have more math. Do you have any math that you've been working on?
Nope.
No. He says no math. I don't need any help in
Friday,
math.
man.
What? It's Friday. You don't stop learning just because it's Friday, Sore. You
Hey,
know,
Friday's a chill day.
Friday is a chill day
For certain classes, though.
for certain ones. Yeah, yeah.
Especially tech ed.
Okay, cool. Let's do a couple things of algebra. Okay. Let's see if we remember some
Okay.
algebra. Okay. I'm gonna write an algebra equation, and then I want you to try and solve it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just gonna lay down my bed.
I should.
General.
Yeah. Let me move this into general so that I can share my screen. Okay. Cool.
What do you mean?
It's like, all right. There we go. Share screen. Let's share this
You think
one.
Bomby Boy is free or no?
Right now?
No, like later on, like after this.
Yeah, he'll probably be free a little bit later on. I mean, I might be free in like an hour after this. You know, after this, but then another hour. It's Friday.
Oh wait, it's 6. Damn. So you probably be on around 8 my time, which is like 5 your time.
Yeah, there you go. Around 8. But yeah, you don't have school tomorrow, so
Mm,
you got school right now.
yeah, but tomorrow I might go somewhere like Spectrum in Philly.
Oh, what's the spectrum? What's over there?
Especially the street food and like toys.
Oh, okay.
Where you can buy stuff.
That's cool.
But the hardest part is parking.
Yeah.
You got people
And what-
you got people parking on the bridges, on the hills just to
Yeah.
walk there.
Dude,
Yeah.
welcome to LA, dude. LA is a mess of parking. But
I
actually,
mean,
this is
like,
cool. This is you've inspired the first topic here, which we're gonna do algebra questions with parking. Okay.
I mean, like New York has hard
Well,
parking
New
too.
York, you can't even have a car, dude. You have to like pay extra rent just to put your car somewhere. Like people have to like rent out garages just to like park their car. But you don't really need it.
Ain't man, nah, but you gotta go to that
There you
parking
go.
lot and
A-Rod,
pay like
A-Rod's
$20 for like
A-Rod's
3
in the
hours.
chat.
Ooh, A-Rod.
What's up, A-Rod?
E-Rod.
A-Rod says mushroom golf. Yeah, okay.
What? You keep playing that.
Yeah, I don't know. He likes vegetables, dude. He loves his vegetables.
I mean, like, green peppers are the...
Green peppers they
Yeah.
are solid, dude. Green peppers are solid.
But mushrooms are the best.
Yeah.
For me.
Yeah, I like mushrooms too.
And then seafood, tofu's not as good.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, go scoop the noodles.
All right.
Fry them.
Let's make a quick little word problem here, so okay? We're gonna say Sor wants to go to the Spectrum in Philly, okay?
Oh,
damn. Bomby
damn. I
Boy's
gotta be
rating.
about...
Oh, he's rating, dude. That's what happens. It does that anyways.
He's rating?
Bomby Boy's rating. He's rating.
How? But how? Wait,
He's rating with a party of 1 viewer, dude. Yeah, what's up, Bomby Boy?
Wait, he was streaming earlier?
Yeah, I guess so. He was streaming just to raid. That's nice.
Wait, I gotta see this. I didn't give a notification.
Hi, Bomby Boy. Oh, we're in general. Bomby Boy.
I didn't get a notification, man, when he started streaming. That's not fair. You usually get a notification.
All right. Time to pay attention, Sor. So we're gonna say Sor wants to go to the Spectrum in Philly. Him and his friends No, they have to take 2 cars. Okay.
Oh my god, Spectrum's freaking expensive though.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah. Food
Okay.
tastes like $10. You need more than $200 to go with you just to buy stuff.
Oh, just to like buy things there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Okay, I gotta find the perfect spot on my bed. You continue.
Okay. We're going to say if there are 42 spots to park, but 36 people have already shown up,
Damn, that's 36 cars.
how many empty spots will be left after
Okay.
Soar and his squad
Roll up.
show up? Oh, roll up? Okay,
No,
yeah,
no,
let's do roll up,
yeah.
roll up. Okay?
Damn.
So this
Okay,
is an
question.
example of like, yeah, what's up?
I think I might know this. Would you do a 42 minus 36 and then minus 2? I think that's your answer.
I mean, that's how you get the answer, yeah. But let's write it as an algebra expression first, okay?
Okay.
Whenever we're taking a word problem and we're turning it into an algebra problem, we always need to assign a variable, okay? Do you remember what a variable is?
X.
Good. X. X is a variable. Yeah, that's a pretty good variable. It's just any letter you can assign to something, but yes, X is a variable. Okay, so we need to assign X to something, right? And X is going to be what we're trying to figure out, okay? So what are we trying to figure
Spots.
out? Empty spots. Good. So we're going to say this is X.
Nice.
Okay?
That's a new one.
It'll be 42 spots less since Soar coming in with a hammer. I don't know.
Illegal.
I don't even know what that means, dude. What do you mean he's coming in with a hammer, dude? All right.
Hey, I can't see your chat. No fail.
Are you on your laptop and your phone? You can pull up the
No.
just pull up the stream on one of
Nope.
your other devices. You don't have like 16 electronic devices next to you, Soar?
No, I got nothing near me.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. So empty spots we're gonna say is X. Okay. That's what we're trying to figure out. So now we need to write like an algebra expression, Soar.
Okay.
So let's look at the other numbers we have here, right? What are the other numbers we have?
42.
We got
36
we
and
got
2.
42. Good. We got 42 spots to park. 36 people have already shown up, and you're coming in with 2 cars, right? Yeah. Okay. So what's a way we could write this as like an algebra question is an algebraic expression is or an equation is basically saying this is what the truth is. This is what it is. So what's a thing we know that like what's from these numbers? What's like the truth? I guess.
Well, the truth. What do you mean by
Yeah.
the truth?
Like what's known? What do we know? I'll help you with this one. We
I
know
need 42
good. We know that
cars.
there are 42
no one else
spots
can
to park.
park.
Good. There.
No, I need 42 cars so no one else can park. Just will be.
Oh, you need 42 cars. Yeah, no. So the thing,
off will be.
the truth, right? The thing that we know is that there are a total of 42 spots that someone can park in. Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of times let's just write that out. Let's just say equals 42. That's the total number of spots that are available. Okay.
So, okay.
So then what else are we going to write here on the left? Like, so of all the spots that are in the parking lot, we can write
36
36. Good.
minus, or is it? No, it's plus.
Plus what?
X. No,
Plus
2.
X, well, plus 2. Okay.
And then X.
Plus X. Do you see how this is? Yeah, good. Do you see how this is how many people are already there? The 2 cars when Soar shows up with his squad, right? And then this is the number of empty spots. So the total of all these has to equal
4.
the total number of spots, which is 42, right?
I get it right. Was it 4?
Is the answer 4?
Yeah.
It is gonna be 4, but let's see how we get it.
Okay.
How do we get 4? How do we do that?
Okay. 36 plus 2 is 38, and then minus 42.
Okay, so no. So we got 38. All right. So this is where now we have plus X equals 42. Always write out like what you have next. All right. Write out what you had beforehand, I guess, as the next thing.
Hmm.
Do you see this? Do you see this right here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So, what's the next step here? In algebra, what's the goal of algebra? What are we trying to do?
Solve X.
Solve for x. And how do we solve for x? What does it mean to solve for x?
Minus a bunch of things that end up getting it right, but you don't know it's right.
Yeah, well, what you want to do, Sor, is you always want to get x equals, you want to get x by itself equals a bunch of stuff on the right. That's what you want to do.
You do. I got one rule with you today. Do not put a lot of threes this time.
Don't what?
No more threes. No more too much of threes.
No more 2s and 3s. Okay, all right. We'll keep the 2s and 3s out. All right.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
he
too
says.
far.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
this is how I got the answer. I did 36 plus 2.
Uh-huh.
And then in my head, I'm thinking what was 38 equals 42. So I
Yeah.
just count my fingers.
You count your fingers, right? Yeah. Yeah, the issue, Sor, is like eventually we're going to get to problems that like you can't keep counting on your fingers, you know? You're going to run out of fingers.
But I like the
You know,
fingers.
unless you're like a mutant, right? With like 19 hands or something, like you're not going to be able to do it.
You could recount 10, 20, 30.
Yeah,
I
no.
know you're talking about those counts too. That's basically 20 already.
Yeah. 42 days, crazy. Oh my God, Bombing Boy, stop, dude. No.
What he
no.
say? What did he say?
Oh man, dude, stop. He's remarking on my picking of 42 days.
What did he say?
He just said it's crazy how I picked the number 42. It is crazy how I picked the number 42. Y'all have like subconsciously put something in my head now. All right, Sor. Next step, we're trying to get x by itself. How do we get x by itself when we have this?
Wait. X by himself.
We want to get x by itself. Look, x has a partner here, which is 38. And 38 and the x don't want to be next to each other. They want to move out. They're like, no, we can't
Okay.
both be here on this side.
Tell 42 to gain up on 38.
To gang up on 38. Yeah. So
they gotta jump him.
We could tell 38 to leave. How do we tell the 38 here to leave?
Minus 38.
Good, dude. Yes, nice. So you do minus 38.
Yeah, he's being jump.
Minus 38.
Jump by 42.
Yeah, look at that. It's just like.
They're getting ambush.
Yeah, they are, dude. What other sounds do I have?
Yeah, I don't like that sound.
There we go. I like that one.
Perfect. I like perfect though.
Perfect. Okay, cool.
No, you gotta get Rickroll.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a classic, dude. Rick Rolling goes back in the day, dude.
Freaky, my teacher Rickroll us though during class today.
You got a cool teacher. If your teacher's Rick Rolling you.
he said this YouTube link is gonna take us to the video that we're gonna need today.
Oh my God! What? No! You actually got Rick rolled in class by your teacher?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like actually half of the people
How old is
did
your
in
teacher,
there.
dude? How old is your teacher?
I think he's in his 30s or 40s.
Wow. Yeah, he's an old purveyor of the memes.
He keeps up with the freaking tech these days.
Yeah.
He's watching anime. He's on his PS4. Yeah.
He needs a PS5, dude. Bommy Boy's asking, dude, how many students are in his class, dude? How many students are in his class?
I don't know. I don't keep track.
You don't keep track, dude. Do any of those students also want to join the Bond Academy, dude? Join actual education?
I don't even know them.
Oh man, dude. You should tell your teacher, be like, yo, I got this cool tutor. You know, he also plays video games with his friends, and like he's trying to get more people to come get free help and win battle passes, dude.
I get gift cards too.
Yeah, gift cards, dude. Yeah, and get gift cards. Yeah.
Wait, did A-Rod buy the PS5 from Bommy Boy, or did he actually got it?
No, he actually got it. He was able to get it. Yeah.
Yo, A-Rod, bro. Who'd you got, bro? You gotta hit me up. Who's your man?
All right, sorry. Focus back on. All right, so what do we do now? So we subtracted 38 from this side, right? And that got rid of the 38. What is the 38 now going to do to this side?
42 minus 38 equals 4.
Good. So now you write again. 4. Bring this down. You get x equals 4. And that is your answer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Freaking
very good.
Bommy Boy over there saying, wait, I got the phone.
He's blowing up the chat, Bommy Boy.
No, he says something like wait, I can't find it. Get the
All
hmm.
right, so let's make another question here, okay? All right, let's say,
Okay.
Sor, what type of job do you want to have, dude, in your life? Like,
I don't know.
you don't know what you want to do?
Nope.
What would be a cool job?
Hmm. Hmm.
Gotta have dreams. Gotta have dreams, Sor, dude. Always
Matter of
important to have
fact,
dreams.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go Target for red shirt. There we go.
Target for a red shirt.
Nope, I was joking.
Let's say you work at Target. Honestly, like you could work at Target, dude. Not as like your final job.
Nah,
Now let's
I
say
ain't
like
gonna work there.
you're
I'm
gonna
just
work.
gonna wear a red shirt.
All right. Well, let's say sorry. All right, you got to pick somewhere you want to work, but you got to pick in the next 5 seconds. Pick somewhere.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Good. All right.
I like Chick-fil-A.
All right. I like Chick-fil-A too.
I gotta get that. I gotta get that discount.
Yeah. They got a nice chicken sandwich. Chick-fil-A's got the waffle
Yeah,
fries, which are the best
and
fries.
I'll get freaking. I'll bring home sandwiches on Saturdays, and I get them for Sunday.
There you go. Save them for Sunday, dude. Yeah, that's the real play. Okay, so let's say Soar works at Chick-fil-A. Okay.
Or Chipotle,
Well, we're gonna say Chick-fil-A. You
which
said
is not
Chick-fil-A.
the bad.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
If
Hey, it's just said.
if he makes $15 per hour,
Is that a lot?
it's a decent amount, honestly, for an intro job. If you were like a kid making 15 an hour, like you'd be rich, you know.
Sure, I'm gonna get my first paycheck $100.
There we go. If he makes $15 an hour,
Uh,
and how much does a PS5 cost?
like 500 something.
Let's say a PS5
Oh,
costs
that's what I thought.
$600. Say it costs $600. Let's say with the tax
Plus
and
tax.
get the accessories and whatnot, you know. Hey, Russell,
Hex
don't sleep on their milkshakes. Yeah, dude. They
Ew.
got real milkshakes
Milkshake
at
with
Chick-fil-A.
fries.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like McDonald's. It's not broken.
All right.
Oh, I'm gonna go to McDonald's, work there undercover, and freaking spy on the ice cream machine.
All right, here we go.
See why is it breaking every day?
All right, Sor, do you see this question?
Yeah, yeah.
So read it out.
Okay. So works at Chick-fil-A. He makes $15 per hour. And a PS5 costs 600. How many hours will Sor have to earn? Wait, how many hours will Sor have to work to earn enough money to buy a PS5?
Yeah, there we go. Nice. So we're gonna do this using algebra. All right. So the first thing we got to do is what?
Find X. That's how many
Good.
hours
Yes, dude.
will
Nice.
Sor have to work?
Good. Good. This is how many hours? This is X. Okay. Good.
15 per hours. So
Mhm.
it's gonna be 15 plus X equals 600.
So you're saying 15 plus X equals 600. So you're saying
Right?
$15 plus the amount of hours he works equals 600?
I don't know.
No, not
I'm
quite.
dead.
Not quite.
So is it the opposite?
What would the opposite be? What do you think the opposite is?
Flip X and 15.
Well, what? So it's just X plus 15?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's the same thing, right? A plus
Oh.
B is equal to the same thing as B plus A. You want to see why this is?
No.
Say,
I'm
for
good.
instance, you had 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3 equal?
5.
What's 3 plus 2?
6. No, I'm joking. It's 5.
It's 5, right? You see how this is the same thing?
So 600 divide 15.
Yeah, that's yeah. You're getting close.
Wait,
You're getting
is
close.
it?
You're getting close. So here's the question.
600.
So how much money do you make if you work X hours and every hour you make $15? What's a way to say that?
Divide.
Let's not. Okay. Let's say you work 2 hours. How much money have you made?
30.
Okay. Do you see this? So if X
Unless they
equals
don't
2,
take X tax.
yeah. Well, and then you also got taxes. So if X equals 2, right? You see that like the total you make is equal
So
to
X
30.
is the hours.
X is the hours. So what did we do to get from 2 hours to $30 that we made? What did we do? What happened?
Multiply.
You multiplied. Good. So What am I gonna say here for the amount of money I make for X hours? What is it gonna be?
15 times X.
Yes, very good, very good.
Perfect.
15 times X equals 600. Okay,
Well, equals 600.
right?
Damn.
Okay. So now, what's the next thing we gotta do? What do we gotta do with this X?
Yeah, make it by himself.
Nice, dude. Get the X by themselves. All right. So we gotta get all the stuff that's around that X gone. How do we remove all the stuff around that X?
We're gonna multiply 15.
We're gonna multiply by 15.
No, I just said we're gonna multiply 15.
What do you mean we're gonna multiply 15?
I have no idea.
Okay. So here's the trick. Here's the trick, Sora. Let's look on the other one. Do you see when we had like 38 plus X, right? What did we do to get rid of the
Yeah.
38?
We added 2.
No, we
Oh,
subtracted.
no, we minus
We
15.
minus. So here's kind of the trick in algebra, okay? Anytime something is happening, if you want to get rid of it, you do the opposite, okay? So see how this was plus 38, and so to get rid of it, we did minus 38?
So we gotta divide.
Good, good, good. So this is 15 times X, so to get rid of that 15, we have to divide by 15. Good. And if you do
1.
here's the rule, Sora. Anytime you do anything to one side of the equal sign, you have to do it to the other side. So if I divide it by 15 here, I also got to divide by 15 here. Okay?
How could you? I don't like dividing big numbers like that.
It's not too bad. Here, I'll show you an easy way to do it. Okay. So this just becomes X. Okay.
Let's make a long division.
Yeah, you're thinking, oh, do I need to do long division for this?
I prefer that. Yes.
Okay. Here's an interesting thing. Okay, so here's a kind of like a quick way. This is how I look at big numbers, especially if like I have a bunch of zeros on it. Okay. Let's just take one of the zeros away. Let's say I'm going to take away one of the zeros, and I just have 60 divided by 15. What's that?
15, 30, 45. It's 4.
It's 4. Good.
So yeah. So it's 40 out of 0.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah. So what happened is if you take away a 0 and then do the division, all you got to do is add it again, right?
X equals 4.
X
equals 40.
dude. Nice. Yeah.
But
So,
Bobby Boy, man, he's mean. He said nah for extra credit. How many of each type of contracts did he complete?
oh yeah.
An extra credit. How could you?
Oh, man. We know what he's always completing, dude. He's always just randomly getting the most wanted, dude. He's just like he's the most wanted boy.
Of it.
Okay, good. 40. So you would have to work 40 hours in order to buy the PS5. So that's like a week of work, right? 40-hour week. It's a 9 to 5 at Chick-fil-A.
7 days a week.
Nah, just 5 days. It's 5 days of a 9 to 5 is what it is. Yeah.
Oh, that means I gotta work like 6 hours. Damn.
8 hours. You gotta work
That's
8 hours a day. Yeah. Okay. Here now let's make this question a little bit different, okay?
Okay.
So let's say that Sora wants to buy a PS5 for $600, okay?
Oh, why can it be a Geo? I put Geo's name there. Replace Sora Geo.
Sora wants to buy a Geo, or you want Geo wants to buy a PS5?
I mean, Bummy Boy wants to buy a Geo.
Okay, Bon Me Boy 1 wants to buy a Geo, okay, for $600.
Wait.
I don't know what he's gonna do with a Geo for $600, dude. But
take out the A. It doesn't make sense.
he wants to buy Geo for $600. Okay, fine. All right. Okay. Where does Bomby Boy 1 work at? Where does he work?
A car dealership.
He works at a car dealership. Okay. Here's a good one. He works at a car dealership. Okay. Where he makes let's see.
A grown man making how much?
Yeah, I'm trying to think how we do this.
25.
Okay.
Oh,
Where he makes $200
oh, damn.
every month.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay. plus. Okay, so let's make this bigger though. Let's make this a bigger. Let's say he's got to buy Geo for six grand. Okay, because this 600 is a little low. Okay.
I see you're
Okay.
worth more. Geo's worth more
I'm
than
worth more,
600.
dude. Yeah, I'm worth at least 6 grand. Okay. All right. He makes $2,000 every month,
Oh, that's
plus
just.
plus.
Does he get any bonuses?
Exactly. Here's the bonus. Here's the bonus.
Oh, okay.
Plus. I want to make a good number with this. Plus $250 for every car that he sells. Okay.
35 cars is $1,000.
If he
I
wants
think.
to buy Geo at the end of the month, how many cars does he need to sell? All right.
Each car is worth $250.
Yeah, $250. He gets a $250 bonus for every car he sells. All right. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do this like an algebra equation. What's the first thing you got to do?
Look for X. How many cars does he need to sell?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Fuck. This.
Why does that keep happening?
This is X, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So let's write out what's happening, right? Okay. So how much money does Bomby Boy have in terms of how many cars he sells?
He sold. Okay, 250.
250. What do we do with the 250? What do we do with the 250, Sor?
Multiply it.
Multiplied by what?
Something to equal 2,000.
Well, not to equal 2,000, right? Because
Oh, 6,000
we
then.
want it to eventually equal 6,000, right? Because that's how much money
Yep.
he needs, okay?
But you gotta figure out how many cars he sold every month.
Good. So what was how many cars he sells? What we just said that was a variable. What variable is that?
X or A or B.
It's X. See how it's X? So how do I write out how much money he makes for selling X cars? If each car he sells, he gets $250.
So we're gonna have to divide here.
Eventually, but let's not think about the division yet. Let's think about like how if I
Yeah.
sell 2 cars, how much money do I make?
500.
500. And how did I do that? What was going through your mind when you did that?
Oh, I'm over here saying, is that 200?
It's 250.
So okay. 2 cars is 500. 4 cars 1,000.
Yeah. So how's that
So-
happening? How are you doing that? What's the math you're doing in your head?
250 times 2.
Times 2. Okay, but now instead of 2, let's put it as like just a random number of cars, like or the amount of cars.
Oh, okay.
So what would that be?
He sold 8. Every month he sold 8 cars.
8 cars.
Yeah. He sold 8 cars every month.
No. Well, okay.
It's
No,
not.
well, I see what you're saying. No. Okay. Let's think about in terms of X. In terms of X number of cars, how much money do I get for selling X number of cars?
What's
X-
X though?
X is a
You gotta
variable.
start for X.
Exactly. We're gonna solve for it eventually, okay? But X is just like
X is just there for now.
it's a placeholder is what
Totally.
it is. It's like X is a placeholder because it can eventually become a number, right?
It becomes glue, and then later on it shall dry. The very solidified to turn your hand glue.
Okay. All right. Let's think. Let's go back to this one. How do we figure out how much money you made for how many hours you worked? Do you see what we did here?
3 times 15. Oh, so we gotta subtract 250.
No, not subtract 250.
Oh.
He makes $250 for every car that he sells. So if
Wait,
he's
add 250 then?
no,
Oh no.
You're getting close. Yeah, I know. It's getting a little confusing. Okay.
Multi?
You're gonna multiply.
Ah.
Yes. Yeah. So what am I gonna do with this 250 and this X?
250 times X.
There you go. Good.
Oh!
See how
Oh,
250
we were
times
right in the
X?
form.
250 times X, right? Because for every X number of cars he sells, he's gonna make $250.
Yeah. So
Okay.
8 cars every month. Is that a lot?
Well, 8 cars every month would be how much money?
6,000.
No.
I mean 2,000.
No. Yeah, it would be 2,000. Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna have 3 months off.
So this right here, Sora. This is the money he makes from his like bonus. Okay.
Okay.
But what other money does he have from that month?
2 grand.
The 2 grand. Good. So how am I going to put that here into like the total money he has?
Minus 2 grand.
No, 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 no. Not minus.
Multiply.
No, no, no. Plus.
Add.
Plus 2,000. Do you see how this is how much money he makes from selling the cars? This is how much money he gets paid just for working that month, right? So all of this right here is the total amount of money he makes in a month.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is from like selling the cars, and then this is from like his salary, I guess, just for working. All right. So this is done. This is an algebraic expression. It's an equation that we have to solve. And what are we solving for? Like, what are we trying to figure out, Sor?
Solve for x.
Solve for x. Good, good, good. Okay, so what do we need to do to solve for x? What's the goal?
Find out how many cars he sold.
yeah. But how do we solve for x? What does x want to be in algebra? What's the goal?
X wants to be by himself.
Yes.
Perfect.
Good. X wants to be by itself. Right. So do you see how x has a bunch of shit attached to it, right? On its side. X has a lot of baggage.
Yes.
You know? X's have lots of baggage, and you're trying to get rid of all that baggage. So what can we do to try and get rid of some of the stuff?
Minus subtract.
Minus what? Yeah, good. Minus what? What are we going to do?
250.
Minus 250? So, no, you don't want to do that. See, because minus 250. So, watch what happens if we just did minus 250. So, we would have 250x plus 2,000 minus 250. What's that 250 going to do?
And I can get paid 2,000.
So, it's going to hit this, right? And it would just make this into being 1750. Do you see how we still have stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, right? So, no, you don't want a minus 250.
We gotta multiply here.
Multiply. Okay, what do you think you want to multiply by?
Multiply by 8. It becomes 4 grand a month.
Well, so if you multiply by 8, okay? First of all, you have to multiply everything here. You have to multiply everything on this side by 8. So this would become 2,000x.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay. We'll wait for Sword to come back. Oh man, what's up, chat? What's going on? What's 40? Heard of tax? JK, what's 40 plus 2? God damn it! I thought the number is 41, guys. No, it's 41. Oh, and Juneteenth is actually June 19th, so it's 2 days before Juneteenth. Yeah, 41 days as of today. Oh man. 42 is the OG number. Oh man. The itchies. Stop. So is that week between day 35 and day 42 just gonna be, just kill week basically? Sounds like that's the week that Arena needs to open up, that or Tobang. Stop. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny, Bonnie Boy. She actually did comment on something yesterday. She liked the Russian I had on one of my T-shirts or something, and I was like, oh dear. Yeah, maybe we would grow together in Lancaster, dude. We just go move out to Lancaster. She is your friend. She's very much your friend. She's my friend too, you know? Great place to raise a family. Does Alex get a reward if he's like double under? Like, let's say it's less than 41, or let's say it's less than 21. Oh man. Yeah. Alex says double payout if it's less than 21. Okay.
They got quiet.
Hey, you're back. You're back. What's up? Okay. All right, so we got this algebra, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're trying to solve for x, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which means we got to get x by itself. So what are we going to do?
We multiply it.
No. Okay. So remember, you always want it to be opposite of what's happening. Good.
So division.
Good. So what are we going to do?
250.
Divide by what?
250.
250. Okay. Good. Now here's the thing, Sora. This is the interesting thing. If we divide by 250, we have to divide the whole side by 250.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got to do divide by 250. Divide by 250. What do we have to do here?
Divide by 250.
Very good.
Perfect.
Very good. All right. So what's 250x divided by 250?
1. Which
One.
is x.
Just x. Good. Very good. Okay. And then what's this? What's 2000 divided by 250? So here's a way.
4.
It's not 4. Okay. So again, remember when we have a bunch of the zeros, right?
Oh, wait. It's 8.
It's 8. Good. Yeah. Because what you can do is you can just get rid of this, right? And 200 divided by 25. Every time I see 25, Sor, I think about quarters. You know?
Yeah.
Like how many quarters do you need to have $2?
4. No, 8.
8. Good. Yeah. Nice. That's why it's 8. Okay.
Fusions.
So that's why it's 8. Okay. Good. So this is plus 8 equals. So now this is 6,000 divided by 250. So take away the zeros and think of it as $6. How many quarters do you need for $6? How many quarters do you need for $1?
Meaning the answer is 16.
The answer is 16. Yeah. The way to do this, so you need, well, it's not 16. So you need 4 quarters for $1, right?
Yeah.
So if I need 4 quarters for $1, how many quarters do I need for $6?
4. $1. 4 for 2. That's 12. Doing too much.
No, okay, watch this. Look here, 4 quarters equals $1. Okay. I need, how many quarters do equal 6? So what happened when we went from 1 to 6 here? What did we multiply by?
1 to 6.
Yeah, how do I get from 1 to 6? What do I multiply by?
4.
No, 6, right?
Oh.
1
6
to
times 6 is 32.
Well, no. 6 times 6 is 36. Let's think of it this way. Okay. 4 quarters is $1, right? Let's multiply. This is actually algebra. Actually, this is cool. This is actually algebra. Is what this is. Here, let's put this on a new page.
Is that 24?
It is 24. Good. But this is how we got it. Okay.
6 times 4.
1/4, right? Sorry. 4 quarters equals $1, right? If we multiply both sides by 6, okay? This is an algebra thing, because if you do anything to one side, you do it to the other. See how we get 24 quarters equals $6?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, good. So that's why this right here is going to be 24.
You don't like counting money.
You don't like counting money? You don't want money?
I don't count. Like counting.
Okay. So what's the next step? What's the next step here? So we got to here. We're trying to get the x by itself. What do we got to do?
Give me -8.
Good. Very good. Good. You're going to do -8. And then what am I going to do on this side?
That's 8. That's a 16.
Good. X is equal to 16. So, Bommy Boy would need to sell 16 cars in order to buy Geo for $6,000.
You gonna do it though?
I don't know, dude. It's
Will we?
dude, Bicycle's in the chat. Fractions? No, Ty Lopez isn't here, dude. I'm not teaching fractions. Do you know who Ty Lopez is, Sora, actually? Do you know who Ty Lopez is?
No.
Did you know that I taught him, actually, at some point? He's well, you don't know who he is.
Who is he?
He's kind of like he's like a self-help guy. He's an interesting character.
Is he on YouTube?
He is on YouTube. Yeah, Ty Lopez. He's like a self-help.
How you spell it?
Tai Lopez, Lopez is what it is. Here, I'll find it for you.
I found it. He's a man.
He's the one that says like all the Lamborghinis and stuff. You know, like I have so many Lamborghini functions.
Oh, he's at 1.3 million subscribers.
Oh yeah, no, he's big.
You talk to him?
I'm trying to think where. One sec, I probably have that Ty Lopez thing somewhere.
Should you drop out of college? Do you waste your finding your destiny? Here in my garage, officially, Lamborghini knowledge and rocks.
Here,
do you want to
see the clip where I teach him math? It's literally this.
Yes. But you have it.
Yeah, I have it. It's on YouTube. So this is Ty Lopez, right?
Gio, when you're working with people that haven't done math for a while, and you're helping them, mentoring them, tutoring them, what's the biggest thing? Is it? I feel like a lot of people are afraid of math.
Yeah, right. So I was here. So I was teaching all these guys here, basic fractions and stuff.
Is that cut? Is that body cut?
I mean, a lot of people think that I'm no good at math and whatnot, and the thing I deal a lot with kids is they'll just give up. They'll look at something and be like, I don't know.
You don't got a ball cut?
YouTube famous, dude. I did get this got 120,000 views, although it's unlisted right now.
You know, hit your head against the table for maybe like, you know,
Big biceps.
minute
Yeah.
or
No, really, I'm
two.
just wearing really small shirts at this point in my life.
you know, wait until usually things
This guy with the neck brace, he got kind of like.
And a lot of the people that you're mentoring or doing math stuff is with kids.
way.
Not that that's not that come out wrong. It's not unfortunate that you help kids, but
You
those
hit
need
your Twitch.
Yeah. Actually, doesn't I haven't talked to him since. This was probably a couple years ago. You can see I looked a lot different. I didn't have as much gold on me, but yeah.
Yeah, no gold at all.
Yep.
Missing the drip of gold.
Don't stop the watch party. Well, it's kind of boring after that. I'll post the link somewhere else for people. If people want it, here. Here's the link if you wanna. If you're gonna go watch me teach Ty Lopez math. Okay, cool. Good. You got this. You got this question right. All right, sorry. Let's see.
His last post was 10 months ago.
His last post was 10 months ago?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Oh, wow. Oh, he hasn't really posted much on YouTube. That's interesting.
It's others. It's more than one.
Gotta hit those curls. Yeah, I do. I need to get my
Thank
biceps
you.
back. Let me think. Oh, here's a good one. Hey, let's do one for the bodybuilders here. You know, okay. So let's say
Bodybuilders?
yeah, well, yeah, Mycicle in the chat. He's a big workout guy. He likes to work out and stuff. Let's say
He just owns a car
Geo
wash, that's all.
Geo is trying to get swole again. All right? By lifting heavy weights, okay?
Okay.
If each plate that he puts on the barbell is 45 pounds, and the barbell by itself weighs 30 pounds, how many plates will he have to put on in order to bench 210 pounds? All right, Sora?
Yeah.
This will be the last question for today, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, algebra, what are we doing? What's the first step? What are we trying to figure out?
How many weights needs to lift to get buff?
Good. How many weights can he lift? Right. How many plates, okay? So this right here, this is how many plates. Good. This is X, okay? Then,
Yeah.
and then what's the statement, I guess? We're trying to figure out.
Statement is that Geo's tiny.
Geo's tiny. I'm not tiny, dude. We're trying to
just fuck with it.
we're trying to see how many of these plates so that I get the total weight of this thing to be 210 pounds, okay?
And you're bidding plates on like 45 or 30.
Good. No, each plate, right? Each plate is 45 pounds, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So how do I write
and
out
the dumbbell by himself,
is 30.
barbell is 30.
It's 30.
That's like 75 pounds right there.
Right, but that's for one plate, okay? So how do we write out how much weight just comes from the plates? How do we write that?
45
45, and then what?
plus 35.
No, not 35. There's no 35 anywhere here.
I mean 30.
So there's going to be 30 in there somewhere, right? Yeah, good. Plus 30, all right. But what about this X? Where does this X go?
X goes right between 45.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
Good. You see how this is 45 pounds for each plate? So the total amount of weight from the plates is 45 times X, okay?
Yeah.
And we need this to equal what?
210.
210. Very good.
Now we do minus 45, right?
No, not minus 45, right? Because minus 40.
But always he could do the opposite.
Well,
And
what's the 45 doing? The 45 isn't adding, right? 45 is multiplying.
Oh, but right, what?
Yeah, so you always want to do the opposite of what's happening, but with that number. 45 is multiplying, so you want to divide if you're doing stuff with that. But
Is it only multiplying there because it's an X?
Yeah, it's 45 times X, right?
Oh.
Because, the weight, right? 45 pounds times the number of plates, right? That gets you the weight of the plates, right?
Okay.
So that's multiplying. So eventually we would want to divide. But what about this 30? This 30 is doing what?
The 30's alone. He needs friends.
Yeah. So how do we get rid of this 30?
It's minus 30.
Good. Minus 30.
Or divide 30.
No. Minus 30. Minus 30. See how this was plus 30? You're going to minus 30. So what are we going to do here?
Mm-hmm.
So if we did minus 30 here, what do we have to do over here? Do what?
Minus 30.
Good. Very good. Okay, good. So now we have 45x equals, what's 210 minus 30?
190.
No.
Or 180.
180. Good. Very good. Okay, what's the last step?
I have no idea.
So we have 45 times x, and we have 180 over here.
44.
What do we
Times 2.
what do we want to get this x by itself? How do we get rid of that 45 on the x?
Minus 45.
No, not minus, right? Because what is the 45
Oh.
and the x doing? Are they adding to each other? What are they doing?
Oh, dividing.
Good. You want to divide
Divide the 45.
because they're multiplying. Good. Very good.
I'm
Very
gonna talk
good.
like that word.
Good. So now you get x equals 180 over 45. Okay.
It was just fact. Why I do fractions, man? Why?
What? Yeah. Well, what's 180 divided by 45?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little harder.
Is it gonna be a decimal?
No, it's gonna be a number. My school's asking, do you have a baby in the background? I think that's his brother. Right?
Yeah.
It's his brother.
Yeah.
Okay. What's 45 times 2?
You know how it feels, right?
What?
What we said.
What's 45 times 2?
90.
90. Good. Okay. So 2 plates is 90. So or 2 45s is 90. So how do I get to 180?
Wait, I'm not asking. Say it
Yeah,
again.
no, okay. So 2 times 45, right? Equals 90.
2 times 45 equals 90.
So
And then add 90 again. So it's basically 2.
so
45. Wait, what?
so
Wait,
it's
it's
2
basically
times
45 times 5. No, 5, 4.
Good. Times 4. 4. Good. Yes, that's how you want to think about this. Very good. So the answer is 4 plates. Or yeah.
Question. What's the extra credit going to be?
Ooh, it's gonna be related to this. It's gonna be very close to this. So you wanna make sure you paid attention
Take
to
pictures
this.
now.
What's up?
Okay, screenshot done.
Well, again, so I always post this on YouTube, so the lessons always get posted on YouTube, so that you can go
I
back
know.
and watch them if you want.
Yeah.
But the extra credit question will be something very, very closely related to this.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What happened to Red Knight? What happened to him?
To who?
Red Knight.
Oh, Comrade Fat Man. Yeah, I don't know. We got to find
him.
out where he is. Maybe I'll tempt him with more questions. But okay,
Before
cool.
I answer them.
Yeah, I know. All right, that's it for the stream today. Thank you for joining in, everyone. We will have the next one next Wednesday at 4 p.m.
4 PST.
4 p.m. PST. Yeah, Sword knows it on Wednesday. Make sure you join the Discord. There's links in the chat here, so you can.
Let me friend you first. Yeah, so I can get extra bond coins.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, well, yeah. So here's the thing, Sword, dude. If you have friends that you want to bring in, dude, I'll give you an extra bond coin for every friend that you invite.
Okay.
They just gotta join.
Let me look for friends.
Yeah, no, you have friends.
I don't even have that many.
Oh, well, I'm sure you do. I'm sure. Or hey, even
No,
guys
I don't, for
that
real.
you play with, even guys you video game with, just ask them to be like, hey, do you wanna get a free battle pass? We will buy you battle passes. We just need you to show up to class.
Where is you gotta buy yourself one though?
What's up?
Yourself a better PS.
Oh, when will I buy myself a battle pass? When you get 10 people,
Yeah.
I'll buy myself a battle pass. When
Oh, that's never gonna happen.
it could be. Yeah, you kids are resourceful. You know how to do stuff. I know you do. Cause I remember
Mommy
being you
boy,
once.
can I kick you from? Can you leave? Let me invite you back. Would that count?
Yeah. All right, everyone. We'll see you
Does
on
it
Wednesday.
Okay.